Here's where you can find the paint code on a Toyota Prius, probably on other Toyotas as well. So you go and look at the sticker on the doorpost on the driver's side, and you're going to see this number right here. And the C stands for color, the TR stands for trim level. So the color of the exterior of this car is 1G3, and then you get in the zone. AutoZone, and you'll find that they're nice enough to actually put that same color code on the paint, so you don't have to look in a book or anything, at least when using the Duplicolor stuff. It's just on the bottle. Magnetic gray is the color. Grab it, buy it, take it home, and then on one end of the Duplicolor applicator, there's your car color paint, and then on the other end, there's a bottle of clear coat, so you can just put the paint color on with the brush, gently, trying not to make a mess. You probably want to mask. I'm been doing this a long time, so I don't really make a mess anymore. But you paint the color on, and then you hit it with the clear coat afterwards, and then looks good from 10 feet. It's not perfect, but this is an old beater, so it looks a lot better than a big white scratch on the side. It almost is invisible.